Now we're moving into the vibe coding experience, and this is where the real training happens. On this screen, you'll notice it's split into two main areas. On the left side, this is where you configure the behavior of your AI agent. On the right side, you can test the agent in real time and immediately see how it responds. This setup gives you a lot of control because you can make changes on the left and instantly check the results on the right. Let's start with the chat area. This is where you can write freely using natural language. You don't need any special format or technical prompts. You simply explain what you expect the agent to do, what it should avoid, how it should react, and you can fine-tune its behavior step by step until you get the exact result you want. At the top, you'll see the knowledge base. This is where you can upload files like PDFs, documents, or other materials. For example, if you have a book, course transcripts, guides, or any written content you already created, you can upload it here and it becomes part of the agent's knowledge. You can also add links. If you have a website or even a Shopify store, you can connect it here, and the agent will scan the content and use it as part of its knowledge base. Another option is adding raw text. This is useful if you want to copy and paste a large block of text directly into the system and edit it whenever you need. On top of that, you have the option to restrict the agent to only answer based on your knowledge base. Since the agent is powered by advanced AI models like the CommuniPass model or ChatGPT models, it can sometimes answer questions beyond your content. If you want to prevent that, you can enable this restriction so the agent only responds using the information you provided. In most cases, it's also a good idea to add an instruction that says if a question isn't covered in the knowledge base, the agent should clearly say so. Another feature you might find useful is templates. Let's say you want to create something like a marketing coach AI, but you don't have content ready to upload yet. You can go into the templates section and choose from prepared templates provided by CommuniPass. This library is constantly expanding, and once you select a template, it's applied immediately. This is a great way to create an AI agent quickly and even offer it as a digital product to your audience. Let's look at a quick example. I've already created a short prompt for an agent called David Fitness AI, so I'll paste it here. Now I can test it right away on the right side. Let's say I want every conversation to start with a specific sentence, just as an example. I can add an instruction that says, from now on, every time a new conversation starts, the agent should open with a specific greeting. I send that instruction, then start a new conversation by typing, "Hi," and you can see immediately that the agent responds exactly the way I defined. This back and forth flow lets you refine the behavior until it feels just right. Once you're happy with how the agent behaves, you can move on to the next step. In the next video, we'll cover how to connect your AI agent to different communication channels and make it available where your audience already is.